It's a bit of a swan song really for Bugatti.
W16 engine open top.
Purely driver as you say, for road use only.
We haven't seen this yet. This is the Hispano Suiza Carmen Saguera.
From Porsche. Porsche launching a...
The ultimate roadster, really losing it, Harry. Max torque and incredible.
Car company Hispano Suiza are returning to the floor with their fully electric car. This one heading up to the Hispano Suiza Carmen Saguera, driven by Luis Perez Sala, the former Minardi Formula 1 driver and the Hispania racing team.